I found this amazing product called Sqribble, which is an ebook creator that lets you produce ebook in a blink of an eye. Sqribble is a cloud-based tool that allows you to create white papers, digital reports, or ebooks at a drop of a hat with simple and easy-to-use templates. The great thing about purchasing Sqribble is that you no longer have to outsource your ebook thanks to this amazing software you'll have at your fingertips. With just a few clicks you will have created a special report or ebook right before your eyes. What makes Sqribble great? Well, there are several reasons, and here are a few beautiful ebook covers and automated content. But one of the coolest features is the flipbooks. Sqribble Flipbook makes flat books look more like real books like you see in movie animation. This is something that you never ever see on other websites, and this will make you stand out from the rest. With the flipbook, you are able to embed them with a simple piece of code that Sqribble provides for you. So have I got your attention so far? Great. Here are some other great features that Sqribble offers, like automatic pagination, table of contents, header and footers. You get 300 plus Google fonts and easy to change ebook themes and color schemes. You can either import your content or enter it manually. This is probably one of the only automated ebook creators that I've come across.